Good evening and thanks so much for joining us for 12 News at 10. I'm Kariba Devine.
And I'm Mark Curtis. Many of us thought that we had put COVID in our rearview mirrors, but could that be leaving us unprepared for another wave? Team 12's Chase Golightly spoke with health experts about what a rise in cases could mean for all of us here in the Valley. Chase?
Well, Mark Rebe, today First Lady Jill Biden tested positive for COVID-19. And then the band Metallica actually had to reschedule their concert that they were supposed to perform at yesterday at State Farm Stadium when their lead singer tested positive. So the spread is happening, and some doctors believe it's only the beginning. COVID-19 is still on some people's minds.
I'm very concerned whether or not if I am going to get COVID.
I think it's something we should all be thinking about and just take precautions.
But others say it's just something we will always have to deal with.
In my mind, it's just another variant of the flu.
Might as well just accept that it's here and move on and go about life.
Cases in Maricopa County have been relatively low, but Dr. Ephraim Malim, who studies viruses, says that's changing.
We are starting to see an uptick in cases reported as well as hospitalization.
Since May, cases and hospitalizations have steadily gone up, not to 2020 or 2021 levels, but continues to climb. Now with yet another variant called BA.2.86, Dr. Lim said they are still learning about how this will impact the community.
This may have much different properties than what we're used to seeing right now.
One way researchers get that information is through testing, which he says is nowhere near pandemic levels.
Because people aren't really testing, we don't get as much information to see what's going on.
Still, Lim and other officials aren't too concerned with the variant, but hospitals are still getting ready in case of a surge.
We've staffed accordingly to take care of the patients, no matter how many there are.
Dr. Dan Kwan, an emergency physician with Valleywise Health, said they have seen a slight increase in COVID hospitalizations, but most cases don't have severe symptoms. As far as how many there will be come this winter, he says it's too soon to tell.
This year's uptick is still yet to be determined. So I would expect that same sort of illness that we've seen with Omicron with this particular change or variant.
Now, both doctors also talked about the new COVID-19 booster set to be released later this month, recommending people roll up their sleeves once again and get the shot, saying it was created with all these variants in mind. Chase Golightly, 12 News.
All right, Chase, thank you.